Now, very important question before us is antivirus or anti-malware, which do I need? That is, what should I install on our computer system, whether I should install antivirus or anti-malware. As already told that malware is a very big term. Though virus and malware are both related terms, malware is a very big term and it includes not only viruses but also ransomware, Trojan horses, worm, spyware, and adware. In the same way, antivirus only provides protection against viruses, whereas anti-malware is a very big term and it covers or provides protection not only against the viruses but also against ransomware, Trojan horses, worms, spyware, adware. That is, anti-malware provides us bigger protection than the antivirus. As you know that the term virus came into existence early. So the term virus became ingrained in our minds and the malware term came very later on. But people still remember the term virus. And so in the same way, the term antivirus is more remembered by the people as compared to the anti-malware. Now we will go into the detail. Antivirus software scans our computer system from known viruses, identifies them and removes them. So antivirus software which are traditional focuses only on combating or dealing with viruses specifically. Now we come to the anti-malware. Anti-malware programs or anti-malware software are designed to detect, block and remove a wider range of malicious software which includes viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, adware and many more. So anti-malware provide us additional features such as real-time protection, web browsing protection, email scanning and behavior-based protection. So you can see that anti-malware has additional features or provides us more protection than the traditional antivirus software. So which do I need? Which should I purchase? When cybersecurity software was first developed, that is many decades ago, when this cybersecurity software was developed, it was called antivirus software simply because viruses were the most common threat at that time. Because at that time only the viruses were in existence. Now, as the passage with the passage of time, cyber criminals have become very intelligent, very clever. They are introducing or developing latest malicious softwares, but the term antivirus stuck and it is still being used by the people all over the world. These days, there is no distinction when it comes to antivirus or anti-malware. Nobody means no company is offering software that detects and removes viruses only while ignoring worms, trojans, ransomware and spyware. In fact, these days, antivirus of reputed companies offer wide-ranging protection. if you purchase the antivirus from any reputed company, it will provide you big protection, wide ranging protection. It will not only provide you protection against the viruses, but will also provide protection to your computer system against worms, trojans and other forms of malicious software. Considering the dangers we face right now, no matter whatever it is called, our antivirus or anti-malware software should have the following features. It should have, or it should provide 24/7 real-time threat detection. It should provide the facility of automatic updates. It should give the web protection, email scanning and behavior-based detection. That antivirus or anti-malware software should be compatible with our operating systems such as Windows, Linux, etc. and other software which are installed on our computer. If we go to the market and the antivirus or anti-malware software does not have these features, we should not purchase that. Antivirus or anti-malware software should be purchased from well-established and trusted company with a history of providing reliable and effective software security solutions. You can also check the reviews from reputable sources to gauge the effectiveness of the software. It means that you can visit, if you have decided to purchase the antivirus or anti-malware, you can go to any online site, say eBay, Amazon, Flipkart or any other, whichever you like, and you can go through the reviews which have been given therein by the users of the antivirus, and after going through these reviews you can make up your own mind that what is the best security software for your computer system. It is extremely important to keep your security software up to date. You should regularly scan your computer system. You should practice safe browsing habits. You should regularly update your operating system and applications. And we should be cautious with email attachments and downloads so that we can maintain a secure computing environment. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.